Yo, what is up everybody, and today we are going to see if we can solve this Harman Kardon speaker with parts. But first, let's do today's sponsor. Do you want to step up your YouTube channel game? Well, this is for you. This video was sponsored by TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that could help your YouTube channel into aggregate mode in certain things. So there's a lot of features such as click management, thumbnail generator, health report, and so much more. My favorite feature, which is Keyword Explorer, which tells you the results when searching up a keyword such as a $500 gaming PC or whatever keyword you're thinking about. Check out TubeBuddy in the description below. Now let's turn down the old school Onyx speaker that I have. So hopefully this thing goes well. So we're gonna have to break this video into three parts. I had no idea how this bangs will work. But if it doesn't work, I might get a complaint from the customer that this button doesn't work. But if you see me holding the speaker like this, guess what's missing? It's missing a leg. By the way, my parents found this from the storage thing when they're at the garage. I don't know if you've seen my social media about it, but yeah, it's missing one more of those legs. It's one of those older school Harman Kardon, so I don't know if it's gonna work. Cause I know Harman Kardon is owned by, Harman Kardon is a parent company of JBL. So yeah, it looks a lot similar to one of the newer versions. Way similar to the newer versions of the whole Harman Kardon speaker. So yeah, let's stop talking and then go ahead and get this to fit. By the way, these screws right here are from the computer board you might see behind me, which is going to be coming up soon, which is, it's not going to be a $500 gaming PC again, but it's going to be a case review from it. So in the comment section, guess what case it is. I'm really hoping you guys can see, but if not, then I'll just take a picture on my phone by the time I'm editing. So yeah. So once the new video about that case comes out, I'm gonna put all the comments that has all the correct stuff in it in the video, and then you might even win a prize. I'm not sure, the prize is undecided yet, but I'd go somewhere cheap instead of going expensive if there's enough people commenting in the video. So yeah. So okay, I don't know, let me go ahead and open up my phone just to see the camera. Unfortunately, my computer 50%, I don't care, for some reason it's showing the, anyways. Epic, what do you mean Epic? Control. Oh, here we go. Alright, so I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you guys can see the computer, because it's okay. So now we're gonna take apart this thing. So I don't even know where all the screws are at though. Maybe, yeah, there's a lot of scratches on this thing. We'll go ahead and put this even more down, because for some reason I can't get my little adapter to get this GoPro connected to the computer. And yeah, I gotta do some kind of weird connection thing going on. So yeah, we got the Harman Kardon speaker. It's not heavy, it's just okay, here we go. We got that little thing where you can put. Oh dang, okay. We got some kind of, what the? That doesn't feel normal. I know a little bit about speakers, not very much, but I've seen people blowing these kind of speakers on YouTube before. I know there's a passive radiator right here, and that thing just popped off. Somehow it's not connecting to my phone. Somehow, let me see. This thing was, that thing just popped off. I gotta do this kickstand. But I'm keeping this. I'm definitely keeping this for later. So In the meantime, put that in the grill. Hopefully I don't do anything too worse. Move that dust, not dust, I don't know what to call it, but anyways, we got 2 triggers, which this doesn't, I don't think this is normal. Like when you touch it, when you poke it, it just pokes the little dust cap or whatever they call it. And then same thing to the other trigger. But if I try to push the dust cap on the speaker, it doesn't, which is pretty hard. So I'm pretty sure these speakers are being used for many years. Sadly, I do not have enough knowledge to build to repurpose these speakers and build a boom box out of it, unfortunately. So somebody's gonna do it once people buy these speakers, but I don't know. So, and then when I pushed it down, I didn't hear no scratching from the core, so, oh, whoa, okay. Yeah, you guys can see. Yeah, I pushed it a little bit. Yeah, I pushed the little dust cap a little bit on the speaker. Hopefully that doesn't affect the part where I'm saying, but I do not have, listen, there's a lot of YouTubers that blows up speakers, but I do not have the right equipment to blow speakers up, unfortunately. Unless I go to my dad's truck and ask him to blow the speakers up, but I'm not gonna do that. Right, Dad? I'm selling these for parts. So, if you're watching this video, so, man, okay, so I got my brand new screwdriver. I purchased off Amazon for 15 bucks. Bigger screwdriver than the stream that you guys see me building computers. And it's also detachable. And we have one for a flathead and one for a Phillips screwdriver. So I'm gonna try to do, okay, cool. Okay, so now let's see if we can get, hold on guys, I'll be right back. Actually no, you know what, I'm gonna take the app out of my phone. That is, somehow it's not. Oh, it's kind of a weird screwdriver. But okay, I can take these apart, right? Don't I? Yeah, I can. I remove this part. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these because I do not have the video on how to take these apart. And I don't know the mega number of these things. Okay, these so that's the real trim of it. It has some kind of no, it's not technology. It's some kind of those little thing for the button. Put that to the side. Put that way. There we go. See, there's any screws on the side, that way I can I put these off? Hold on. Oh, it's coming out, it's coming out. Oh, never mind, it's not coming out, right? Well, I don't know how. Let's see, how can I take these apart? So, I tried to take down the speaker because, not really because, I'm just saying that I tried to take the speaker apart just to see if I could sell each parts. So unfortunately I can't because I don't have a star thread kind of screwdriver. So yeah, and at least I just took off the parts of radiators coming from the inside where the grills are and the outside where you see it with the little Harman Kardon logo. So yeah, unfortunately I can't even show it right now because for some reason my phone's not showing audio to my computer when I show my files. So oh well, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, you know, do whatever you guys want to do, and yeah, peace out.